my gosh. I can't believe I made this. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something that I have not done before on this channel. I'm really pumped about this. I am gonna be attempting to make some Pinterest inspired jewelry today. I'm obsessed with jewelry a lot lately. I've been always on the hunt. I've been looking for stuff online, buying too much jewelry. And now that I'm at home all day long, being that, you know, we're all at home, I thought it'd be a great idea not to just shop online, but actually, you know, spend some time and actually make some jewelry that I actually love. I've been on Pinterest a lot lately because I'm at home all day. So, you know, I have a lot of time to really scroll endlessly through Pinterest and find a lot of really cute jewelry that I think I can recreate. So that's the video today. I'm gonna be recreating some Pinterest inspired jewelry today, and I gotta say, I'm really pumped. Last night I was like a little excited and wanted to test out all my jewelry supplies that I recently purchased, and I made this necklace here. It just says thrifter on it, and I posted on Instagram and a lot of people replied back saying that they loved it and they wanted one. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be selling them, but I will teach you how to make one so you can make one at home now while we're all are at home. And if you're not at home and you have to go to work, I want to say thank you so much for doing what you're doing, whatever it is, whether you're at the hospitals or you're in the medical field or you're not, or you're delivering or you're a grocery store clerk. There's endless amount of things that still need to go on in the world. So if you are working, I want to say thank you so much for doing that. And everyone else that doesn't need to work, stay home. But yeah, that's my spiel. So let's get into the Pinterest inspired jewelry created by me. So I'm just going to give you an overview on all the supplies that I'm going to be using today. So the first one you'll need is some wire string. The next one is you're going to need some beads. Like, this can be seed beads, and it could be any type of beads, any kind of width. I have a variety of seed beads that I'm going to be using today, and I'm also going to be using some charms. So I will show you that later on in the video, but I'm just showing you some examples of beads you could be using. And then next I have some supplies. So all I'm using is some jump rings, some clasps, and some crimp beads. So you don't need all this. I also have the charms in there that I will be using today. And then you will need some pliers. And then lastly, if you want to make some bracelets, which I will be doing today, you'll need some stretchy string. Okay, so I kind of got all my beads out. I'm kind of looking at all the colors now, and I think for my first one, I'm going to be using this charm, which I purchased these from like just Michael's, and you can just see there's all these moon charms on there. So I think I'm going to use one of those for the center of the necklace. And then I also have these pink ones that I think are really pretty, this color. So I don't know if I want to use these ones, but then I also have these like kind of marble beads. Then I have these white beads. Like, that's the thing, I bought so many different beads that it's kind of overwhelming the amount of stuff I can make. So, but first I have to freaking know how to open this. How do you open this? This is probably not how you're supposed to open it. This is probably how you get hurt. So, jeez, why can't they just come on a string like that one? I got it. Yes, I got it. So I have this like really thin wire beading string that I'm going to be using because I'm going to put like a clip at the end so I can clip it on and off. I won't use a stretchy string. I'm going to use a stretchy string when I make some like bracelets, but for this one I'm going to be using this one, and I want it, I don't know, I probably want it around like a choker, but I want to cut off more than I need, so I'm just going to cut a whole bunch, I don't know, like over a foot. And I'm just using these because I don't think I have like actual wire cutters. So I'm just using scissors to get that off. So I got a charm, and now I gotta use these wires because it's like pretty much it has this like open loop metal thing, and I'm just gonna close it just because I'm just gonna slip it onto the necklace. Okay, so I got my moon charm here already, and I don't think I really need to show you me just threading it. So I'm gonna thread all the beads onto my string and then put this little moon charm in the middle right there. And I'll be back when I'm done. I'll show you a little time lapse of me doing that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Should I become like a jewelry artist now or jewelry designer? Maybe. Maybe. This is kind of risky because I don't want it to fall and then beads go everywhere. Like, that'd be so bad. But I think it's long enough. Like, I think that's cute. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna leave it at this length and we are gonna finish it off. Okay, so now that I'm done beading the whole thing, I'm gonna take one of these beads that you clamp down to tighten all the wire. I'm putting it on the end here, and then I also have the claw, the lobster claw. After I've done that, I'm gonna like feed through this wire back through the clamp bead thing. Pull it somewhat tight. I know you can't see that, but now it is claw, and then obviously the bead, and then all the beads. And I'm gonna pull it tight on there because I don't need it to move that much. And then I'm gonna be taking my pliers here and I'm just gonna be squishing it together. Like that. I'm cutting it a bit shorter, but I'm still leaving some there. That, and then I'm gonna re-thread it through all the beads so you don't get poked. And then I'm pretty much doing the exact same thing what I just did on this side, except I'm using one of the metal rings that the clasp will be connecting to. Threading it back through again like I did before, except I'm gonna put it through a few beads here. And then I'm just pulling it through. This one I don't wanna have it like too tight. I want it to move a little bit. So I'm just pulling it a little bit tight. And then I gotta get in there and I gotta clamp down the little bead again. And there we go. Okay, and now I'm done it, so now the moment of truth of what it actually looks like on. So there it is. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I gotta look in the mirror. I'm impressed with myself. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It looks so cute. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's make another one. Which one should we make next? Since we're on the train of doing little danglies, so I feel like I want to do another one before I jump into bracelets or anything. So I got these, so I have all these little gems I have. So I thought it'd be really cute if I made another necklace with maybe possibly more than just like these three moons, because these ones are larger. So I think I'm gonna do a little dainty necklace with these. This one's from Michael's, so I think that'd be really fun. So let's do another dainty necklace, and then I'm gonna do a bracelet after that. Gosh, these beads look so freaking good. Ooh. It's so tiny, it doesn't even focus, but this is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute, this one. So close. This is what the updated one looks like. It looked so cute. I think that, yeah. I'm pumped, I'm really pumped. I feel like I probably said that like 500 times, but I'm pumped. Okay, just gonna measure this. So this one's shorter, but I'm just gonna add some white beads on the side. Just keep going. And then we're gonna finish it like I finished it last time. I don't know if I gave you a really good understanding of how I did that. It's super simple. So if I didn't make it very clear, because I'm not going to show you again how I like ended and put the little clasp on the end, but I'm going to include another link, another YouTube link on how to do it. Someone who can explain it very well. It is super simple. It should take like 5 seconds to learn. So I will include it down below in my description. So if you want to learn that, because I don't think I did a very good job the first time. Oh, that was close. That was so close. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I made this. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. Look at that. I'm honestly like speechless. I am so freaking pumped for this necklace. It is so cute. Okay. Okay, so I quickly decided now after looking more at this necklace, I kind of wanted to make one longer to kind of match. So I'm making one right now and I'm using like these marble beads right here that I have. These marble beads. And then I'm using one little gem dangly thing right in the center. And then I think I'm going to use white beads again. These little white beads to finish it off and just have a little bit in the center. So this is gonna be really, really simple and basic to make, so it's nothing too crazy, but I wanted to make one a little bit longer, you know, just to match it, so I think that will be really cute. You know, I need another hobby now that I can't really thrift all the time or at all. I can't really thrift at all right now, so I'm getting into jewelry making, you know? This is gonna be a jewelry making channel now. Here is the final necklace I created to match that little choker. I'm really, really happy with it. I think these look really, really good together and I'm super pumped. That one was really easy to make, just a little time consuming because it's like the small beads again. I keep hitting my elbow here. But anyways, I'm super pumped. Now I have a set together and I can wear, and I'm gonna be wearing a lot in my upcoming videos, so I know what I'm gonna do. Now that I'm thinking about it, I haven't made one with all these letter beads that I purchased. I made one that says Thrifter on it here, and I think it's really, really cute, this choker, but maybe I'll make a necklace now because there's so many cute necklaces I saw on Pinterest of people making it either with their names or just like a little quote or just a little word or saying, I don't know. I think I want to make a bracelet like that because I think that'd be really cute. I really don't have any bracelets, so I don't know if I want to make another Thrifter one just because I have a necklace now. I feel like I want to make a happy one, like be happy or be positive or be kind or something that's positive, because there's a lot of negativity going around right now, and I think we need a little reminder to be happy and be thankful for what we have. So I think be kind. I think I'm gonna put be kind on there. Decided I'm gonna use a stretchy string for this just because then it's easier to like get on and off, because it's hard to clasp when it's like, you know, on your wrist and so you use one hand. It's easier when you put it on your neck. So I'm gonna use a stretchy string for this bracelet. I'm excited. Okay, so I just finished my bracelet and it looks really cute. It just says be kind here. The front just says be kind here at the front, and then it just has some like brown beads, some yellow beads, some white beads around it. So very, very simple, but I just wanted to show you how I end it, and pretty much all I did was I just tied a knot a few times. That's really all I'm doing. Oops. All done. This one's like super, super basic. Oh, that looks so cute. Oh, I love that. Woo! I'm so excited, yeah. So now I got my necklaces, got my bracelet, and I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. I'm pretty stoked about this. Okay, so I just woke up and it's like, I don't know, 9:15 on a Saturday, and I was thinking last night, after I already filmed like making my bracelet stuff, I was thinking I didn't make one for Benson, and that's really rude, so I'm gonna make one for Benson now. So Benson is still sleeping in bed right now. It's 9:17 now, and he probably won't be up for a while, maybe 10 or 11. So I should have enough time to make this all before he wakes up. So that is good, so I can really surprise him with this really, really cute necklace, because I think he'll like it. This blue color is gonna look really, really good on him, if you can see already. It's really hard to see, but that is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be really cute. And I also used a stretchy string for this one, so I can just like put it over his head. So yeah, that's my plan. Okay, change of plan. I can hear Benson starting to get out of bed because every time he wakes up he like sneezes, so I can hear him sneezing. And he's gonna probably come to my door like any minute, but I wanted to show you what I have so far. I ended up changing it and doing a little pattern, so I think that's really cute. I actually really like these colors together, so I'm really excited for him to try this, but I realized I don't know how big his neck is, so it's kind of good that he woke up and he's outside. I'll go get him so I can measure his neck. Okay, yeah. Benson has a real big neck, so we're gonna have to make this a lot bigger, this necklace, but do you like it? Do you like it, Benson? Do you like your necklace? He doesn't really seem to care, really. Oh gosh, this is gonna be kind of difficult to do this while he's on my lap. Okay, can we see you in the camera? Okay. A moment of truth, Benson. I haven't clipped it yet, just in case. Oh, Benson! Just, oh, it's backwards, Wrong way. There we go. Look at you! You're so handsome! You like it? You can hardly see it. Do you like it? Show them your new necklace. Ooh! Very nice. Anyways, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's Pinterest-inspired jewelry making video. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of hard to say. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. That was really fun to do. I definitely bought way too many beads, so if you did really enjoy this and you want me to make another video, let me know down in the comments below because I have a lot of beads, so I could make like 500 more of these videos, but I won't. Maybe. Yeah, that's all I really had to say. So I want to say thank you again for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.